Hello, my name is Martin Fish and this is one of the new mowers in the VX range. This is the 20-inch or 51cm rotary mower petrol. It's got a new engine on it, so it's quieter running, it's easy start and it's much more fuel efficient. So will make mowing much easier for you in the garden. And it's got lots of really helpful features on it. As well as this powerful engine, it's also got enhanced airflow system, which makes grass collection so much better. And that works on the volute-shaped cutting deck that we've got just here, which creates then a vortex as it whizzes round and it pushes the grass back in here to enhance that collection. And that goes into this large collection bag at the back here. And it's also got the little flap on the back there. That will flap away when you're mowing the grass. When it stops flapping, that tells us that this box is full and it's time to empty it. So that's a really good aid. So that is for grass collection. If you don't want to collect the grass, but you want to mulch, and this is a really good way of keeping your lawn in healthy condition because you're recycling the grass clippings which release the nitrogen and feed the lawn, you can put in the mulch plug. So we take off the grass collection bag and this simply fits into the back where the grass would normally be pushed out there into the collection, and that just locks into position like that. That essentially stops the grass leaving the mower. It whizzes round, the blades have an uplift on them which chops them finer and it blows it down into the cover. For that to work effectively, you've got to mow little and often and then the grass will just disappear and it will feed the lawn. So that's a second way of mowing. And a third way is if you've got long grass and you don't want to collect it, there is also a side discharge, which is on this right-hand side of the mower here. And we simply fit this little chute onto the side of it. So we just lift this flap here, that simply hooks underneath the little bar. And then when we lower that down, it holds it into place. The grass is then thrown out at the side. So great if you're cutting grass around trees or you've got an orchard where you're going to let the grass grow longer. For height of cut, this has got 7 positions. So when it's on the lowest, you can be cutting at 25mm. And when you lift it up into the 7th position, you're cutting at 75mm. So a good range of heights there that you can adjust to get that perfect cut on your lawn. The mowing deck is in line with the wheels, which is great for getting to the edge of a lawn. So it doesn't leave a little bit that's uncut. You're cutting right to the edge there. So that's a really, really good feature. And then as we work our way up the handlebars, we can adjust the handlebars to get the correct angle to make it really comfortable for you to mow. So we can do that at this point here. We've got these easy release catchers. You just twist them a quarter of a turn and then we can put that into the position that we want and lock it into place. So for me, I go roughly midway, but you can make it lower or higher to suit your height. Quick release handles here as well. So the handlebars fold down. So they literally just fold and that goes into that position. So that's ideal for storage in a garage or in a shed. And then when we want them out, we just simply pull them back and lock them into position like that. So that's really easy to do. And then at the top of the handlebars, we've got this lovely padded handle. That makes a big difference. Some mowers are steel handles. They can either be hot or cold, quite thin. This just pads it out and makes it really comfortable. And then for starting, really simple. We've got the pull start here. We've also got the red handle that will engage the blades when the engine's going. And then at the back, we've got the drive for that self-propelled. So what we'll do, we'll get it started up and we'll show you how to mow with it. The mower is very easy to start. There's no primer, there's no choke on it, so it is literally just pull it. Just a little tip before you mow, make sure that the mowing deck isn't very close to the ground. So we've got a little bit of a gap there. We can always lower it down. It just stops the strain on the engine. So we need to pull in the red handle to start with and then just give the recoil a pull like that. And once we've got the engine running to self-propel, we just push the black lever in at the back. What I will do is just lower the deck 1 notch as well before that. So here we go. And there you have it, the Cobra VX 20-inch rotary mower, very easy to use and makes a smashing job of mowing the lawn. And of course, to stop the mower, you just release all the handles and it stops instantly. A great mower for medium to large lawns. For more information on the VX range or any Cobra products, go to cobragarden.co.uk.